This is OXDF doing slot machine investigation from the Sands Holiday Hack 2021. Got my slot machine interface up here. I am routing through Burp. I've did a video in the past about how with like Hack the Box and things I play regularly, I use patterns to set up to forward stuff on. In this case, I've just got it set to Burp. Everything's going through Burp. And so go ahead and hit play the game here to open this up. And we're going to start investigating this interface. So what I like to do, again, just like any website, I'm going to go ahead and just play around with it a little bit, do some spins, play with the bets a little here. I'm not exactly sure what these things all mean. Bet size versus bet level. Looks like bet size 0.5 spin. Who knows what these means? Modern interfaces are very confusing. I think they don't want you to know what your odds of winning are. Otherwise, maybe you wouldn't play. So I haven't won much. I've lost. I'm down from 100 to 33 here. Let's see. Looks like my level multiplies by multiplies it by 10 maybe. Anyway, so playing with that a little bit, I got a feel for it. Let's see if there's something we can do to mess with it. So we come back over here into Burp. Let's look at our history. Can I make this bigger? User options, display, base 18, change font. It's gonna probably be ugly, but we'll go for it so you guys can see it. Back here in proxy, history. I'm not sure that's totally better, but I can see each time I spin, it generates a post request. Let's make this full screen. And it hits this API endpoint, and it sends the bet amount, the num line, and the CP, whatever that is. And it looks like it sends back the results. I could pretty easily catch these results in Burp and mess with them, but all that's going to do is change what's on the screen. It's not going to change like my money I have actually on the server, which is what I'm trying to do here, right? So let's send this over to Repeater and start thinking about, what could we mess with here? I've got these three different things. I should probably figure out. So if I'm 0.51, I get 10. Put that one through and see if we can figure it out. I think I won something. How exciting. Oh no, I didn't. Never mind. Okay. So let's proxy that last one. 0.5 and 1, and the num line is 20. I don't know where that comes from, but it seems to be the same in all of them. Maybe that's just a hidden parameter. I could look that in HTML. So it looks like I'm multiplying them together. Multiply the two numbers on the screen times 20 to get my bet amount. And then I basically always lose. And that's that. So to me, first we want to make sure, there is this XSRF token, which is meant to prevent me sending in me being able to like send this link to somebody and have them post it by accident. So I want to make sure I want to make sure that like I can actually send these in Repeater. It looks like I'm okay to do so. I'm running out of money. Okay, but that worked fine. Okay, so it does work. The first thing I thought of honestly was what happens if I put a negative in here. If I bet negative money, does it return me positive money? Bet line the credit went to 28. Let's see if I do it again. Credits to 38, credits to 48, credits to 58. Looking good. Can I add some zeros in here? Credits to 1058. In fact, here's the response that I'm looking for the solution to this challenge. I'm going to have to have some bouncer trolls bounce you right out of this casino. So there it is. I've solved the problem. It looks like, let's see, I wonder, just for curiosity's sake, what happens since all these things are being multiplied together? Does any one of them work for bet? So I can't put it in bet amount. And can I put it in CPL? No, server error. Work if I make this smaller. It does look like that works. So it can't be, the bet amount can't be negative, but the CPL or the num line can be negative, and doing so increases my money. So I will grab this line, go over, drop it in my badge, get credit, and that's it. We've hacked the slot machines.